Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make multiple text columns in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then, firstly select your text box. Now create a text box. Now select the type tool and drag and place the text box. Now select the selection tool and select the text box and click right on your mouse and click fill with your placeholder text. Now I am make multiple text column in this text box. Now firstly select the text box, then go to the object menu and go to the text frame option. Now here we can see here are the text frame panel. Now firstly here are the columns. Now select fixed number. Now here are number. Now we can choose any number. Now on 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11. Now select 5. Now we can increase, gather, wide, top, bottom, left, right. You can align top, center, bottom, justify easily. Now I'm click OK. Now you can see here the multiple text column. Now you can see make multiple text column in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.